What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm 6-Star Driver, and today I'm going to be talking about the things I do not like about the Tesla. Yes, beautiful car, excellent technology. I love a lot of things about the car, but I do not like one specific thing: the battery life. I'm going to be walking you guys through this morning of the challenges I have in this cold area that I live in. Battery power sucks. Yeah, sucks, man. Tesla, you suck.
It is currently 25 degrees outside. Cold. Follow along in real time as I try to get to a charging station within 5 miles. While the car's current battery limit is 7 miles. I've got about 2 extra miles to spare, right? Or do you think I'll end up stranded on the side of the road? Just watch all the way to the end to see what happens.
Battery power in the wintertime is horrible. I live in the Northeast where we get different types of weather. We get hot, cold. We have summer, we have spring, we have winter. It gets cold up here. And the battery sucks in the cold. The same thing that happens when you have your phone out when it's cold out. It drains battery faster. This thing is the same way. When I went to bed last night, when I parked the car, I had 28 miles to go. Look at what it says now. 7 miles left. Battery's almost dead. Battery's almost dead. I'm looking for a supercharging station at the moment. I actually found one. It's very limited in New Jersey. But, there's a few ones around. I'm going to one right now. I'm very close by. I'm within 5 miles, thankfully. I have 7 miles left till this thing dies on me. And we don't want that to happen. So that's one thing I definitely do not like about this car. Yes, there are plenty of things that I love about it. It drives itself. Yes, we already know that. You save money on gas. Yes, we already know that. But the battery life is not perfect during the wintertime. So if you're considering getting a Tesla and you live in a cold area, these are things you need to consider. The battery life, although it's going to tell you it's supposed to last 250 miles, or you have a 250 mile range or a 350 mile range, you're not going to get that in the wintertime. It's not going to happen. You're probably going to get, on a 250 mile range, you're going to get 180 at most. Show you by trips. Okay? Show you by the trips. Since last charge, 137 miles since my last charge. I had a fully loaded charge. Full charge. Since my last charge, 137. I have 7 miles to go, so I barely even got 150. That's insane. And I charged it to the max. I think I charged it to my limit at 235. Not even to the limit. I charged it closer to the limit at 235. I only drove 137 miles. I have 7 miles left. That's insane. That's crazy. So beware. Be cautious. Be aware of this situation. This is what happens when it's cold. Tesla sucks in the cold. Sucks in the cold. I'm telling you. That's just all I got to say about this car. I love it, but it sucks in the cold. Okay? I got that out the way. Now it's down to zero. Since charging needed to reach destination. I hope it doesn't shut off on me. That's crazy. This is one thing I do not like about the Tesla. I do not like this at all. I just had 7 miles to go. And it dramatically dropped to zero because I went up a hill. So, you guys see firsthand, shit, 0 miles. Zip zero. I want to turn off this screen, put it in dark mode so I can save some battery. And hopefully I make it to my destination. Still en route to destination. I have 0 miles left. Thankfully, I am a mile away. This thing has significantly dropped. Battery power has significantly dropped. I can't go over 50 miles per hour. My speed has been reduced. It feels like the car is sluggish. I can't accelerate as fast as the car is supposed to accelerate. So I have a reduction in power. Thankfully, I'm close to the supercharging location, so I should be fine. But this is what happens, guys. This is what happens in Tesla. I actually cut off the light so you guys can see. All right. No speed. I can't even drive. Like, I can't step on the gas. This thing is not so efficient in the cold. As you can see, it's 10:09 a.m. Watching the time, I am almost there though. That's the good thing. I'm almost at the charging station, the supercharging station. Tesla battery. You see it firsthand experience what it feels like to have a Tesla in the winter, in the cold. We made it to the charging station. Finally. Time to put this thing on the charge. This is the charge.
Just like I said previously in the review, check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. I love the car, the quality of the build, and the technology behind it, but the battery life is horrible in the wintertime. I hope this video gives you an idea of what to expect if you live in a cold area. Please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button for me so this video can spread to more people. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.